Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log into your Instagram account on another phone. Let's get started. Now take the another phone and open the App Store, search for Instagram and download the app. Once the app is installed, open it. When the app opens, you will see the login screen. Tap on login. Now you will see fields to enter your details, enter your username, email or number, and at the bottom enter your password. Make sure the details are correct. After that, tap login. Sometimes Instagram asks for verification to protect your account. Once logged in, you may receive a code on your email or code on a phone number. Enter the code on the screen and tap confirm. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now logged in on another iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.